We, the human race, are the aliens on this planet. Yes, this is a hard subject that is widely debated among scientists behind closed doors. The human race is not entirely from planet Earth, and science is about to prove it. Human beings may have evolved from the lineage of Homohabilis, which lived 2.4 million to 1.4 million years ago, and eventually became orangutans, chimpanzees, bonobos, and gorillas. But the origin of an important component that made the Homohabilis DNA possible to exist came from space on an asteroid that wiped out 75% of all life on Earth 66 million years ago. Surprisingly and shockingly, the results of this particular mass extinction, combined with the arrival of the crucial component for the evolution of DNA from outside our solar system, played a major role in paving the way for the eventual evolution and emergence of the superiorly intelligent and emotional beings, human beings. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind the partially alien human race. Life on planet Earth was nearly completely eradicated 5 times in the distant past. However, each mass extinction kick-started a new evolutionary biological process that led to the emergence of new species and more evolved old species that survived the mass extinction events. However, to this day, scientists did not find a single piece of evidence that any of the first 4 cataclysmic events resulted in the appearance of human-like beings. But for the reasons that are becoming more clear every day, the 5th extinction did. The Triassic period ended nearly 200 million years ago, when one of the only continents that existed on the planet Earth, the supercontinent Pangaea, began to split into a violent series of earth-shattering events, accompanied by massive volcanic activities known as the Central Atlantic Magmatic Province Volcano. A question is often asked: was there an outside event that contributed to the sudden shattering of the supercontinent Pangaea? Indeed, something else happened around that time. A massive 5-kilometer diameter meteor slammed into Earth, leaving a massive 100-kilometer wide crater that today contains the Manicouagan Reservoir in Quebec, Canada. A million years later, planet Earth was again buzzing with life. Dinosaurs returned to roam the land, and the Jurassic era began. However, nothing evolved to allow the ancestors of human beings to manifest. Something, or rather, a crucial ingredient, was still missing. Nevertheless, all of that would change 150 million years later. The Jurassic period began a little more than 201 million years ago. Parts of the supercontinent Pangaea that split into pieces continued to drift further apart, just as they still do today. For the next 155 million years or so, true giants roamed the continents. The face of the Earth was beautifully breathtaking and green. The air was superiorly clean, and the oceans were crystal clear, yet swarming with monsters that would only terrify the bravest hearts. Suddenly, a massively incomprehensible asteroid called the Chicxulub that spent close to 200 million years orbiting the Sun after it arrived from nearly 300 billion kilometers away from a place at the farthest edge of our solar system, hit Earth at the mind-boggling speed of 20 kilometers per second, more than 50 times the speed of sound. Earth once again plummeted into a dark, cold age of mass extinction that wiped out nearly 75% of all species, including our beloved dinosaurs. Asteroids are mean creatures that litter our solar system. These rocks hold secrets that scientists thrive to unveil, and have a history of bombarding our planet and causing unimaginable havoc. However, they do not all come from the Kuiper Belt, which is located between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars. Sometimes they come from the Oort cloud, which starts about 2 astronomical units, or 300 billion kilometers from our Sun, and extends nearly 3 light-years outwards. Mounting evidence points that the asteroids responsible for the last mass extinction 66 million years ago came from the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud stretches out close to our nearest neighbor star, Proxima Centauri. It is spherical and consists of outer and inner clouds, trillions of massive asteroids, and immense amounts of debris occupy this magnificent massive cloud. It is suspected that a plane of the mysterious dark matter and/or the gravitational field of Jupiter bumped the Chicxulub asteroid and sent it deep into our solar system. Such an event is not uncommon, and usually, after tens of millions of years, such asteroids deviate from their orbit around the Sun, and occasionally one would slam into Earth. So why is the Chicxulub asteroid different and suspected to contain alien ingredients that greatly contributed to the emergence of the human race on Earth? Well, there is evidence that the closest recent known flyby of a star to our solar system was about 70,000 years ago, which means that such an event happened many times before. This fact confirms that the Chicxulub asteroid was contaminated with alien biology present in the outer layers of a passing alien solar system. In the follow-up part 2 to this video, I will take you deeper into the world of asteroids, the Oort cloud, our solar system's movements and interactions with other alien solar systems, and answer the intriguing questions of how alien molecules may have contributed to the emergence of genetic material on Earth and the eventual appearance of human beings. Thank you for watching. Giving us a thumbs up would really help the algorithm make our channel grow to a wider audience. If you like our content, make sure to subscribe, as we love making content for free about awesome space discoveries and mysteries. It is the best way to support us. We post awesome, interesting facts every other day, so make sure to check out the rest of the videos uploaded on our channel regularly. See you in the next one.